our kitchen. Subscribe, like, share, and follow. Today's meal is traditional food, Swahili food. This is egg yolk, this is paprika, and this is okra. We are cooking okra plus eggplant and paprika. Like, share, follow, subscribe, comment on Swahili dishes. Welcome. So guys, today I have a surprise. I got a visitor, a client, and also a student. She decided to come because she watched my videos and she decided to come and learn more from me. Though she has her own passion, but she decided to come and learn from me. I thank God for that because most of the people don't get a student, but I got one like her. She's interested in learning in my kitchen. Welcome, Madam Angel.
I appreciate for welcoming me into your house. My name is Angel. I'm a student learning in cosmetology. And the reason why I'm here, I'm interested in our cookings, and I love cookings. And I have a TikTok account. Please go and follow me. My TikTok account is _ang3.roman3. Welcome.
Now we are starting. Angel, you can go and wash them just near the sink. Wash them quickly so that we can. We are almost ready here to start cutting the egg yolk. We are not going to peel the egg yolk because the skin is nutritious, very nutritious, very nutritious. Now, Angel, bring that. Yeah. Them. You remove this one. The skin. We are just cutting. We are just removing the top one. Then we cut like this, Angel. Like this into two. Yes, like you slice them into two. Then you cut into cubes. Cut into cubes. You cut into cubes. You cut into cubes. Unaona inakatika vizuri hivi. Sasa ukikata hivi, unakata unafanya mkono lazima uwe na haraka. Sababu saa hiyo utakuwa umepata mteja anakuambia nataka ugali and eggplant ama ugali and okra soup. Unaweza tumia. Chukua ile bakuli kubwa basi kutosha hiyo. Kutosha kabisa. Sasa hapo tutaanza kukata. Unakata hivi, unakata hivyo. Ukiona ni mrefu ndio utakata mara 3. Lakini ukiona ni fupi unakata mara mbili. Umeona? Unakata hivyo. This is traditional food. Inaitwa traditional food, chakula ya kihalisi. Umeona? Chakula ya kihalisi, yani chakula ya kienyeji. Hapa hatuweki nyama wala hatuweki nini. Ni hivyo tu. This is okra.
Inaweza kuliwa na nini?
Hii sasa unaweza kula na wali, unaweza kula na ugali, unaweza kula na chapati. Inategemea vile wewe mwenyewe utapenda. Roti. Do you know roti? You can eat with roti. I'll teach you how to cook roti. One day we are going to cook roti in this house. One day we'll cook roti. You can eat with chapati, you can eat with roti, you can eat with in small pieces. And this is eggplant. Now we are going to cut some onions. We cut some paprika first because the kids are also going to eat, so we are not going to put a lot of my onion. We're just going to use two onions, two medium onions, and three tomatoes, and two paprika. Now I'm cutting my onions. The knife, or you can use this one, because a knife you're going to take time, but when you use this one, it's very fast and very sharp. You see?
Yeah. I don't know how to use that.
You don't know how to use this one? You can use a knife now. Okay.
Yeah, you can use that one.
Cutting onions. We are done cutting onions. We are done cutting onions. These are onions. Now we are going to paprika. Slice. Let me show you what to do. Let me show you what to do. You see? Yeah. Sorry. I think we are done with this one. Okay, now you can. It's okay. Hii nayo tunaitoa, hatuili hii, hailiki pia kwa sababu na watoto, tunaitoa tunaiweka kando hapo. Then good. You're a fast learner. I like that. Hatubodi wala hatuna grate. You can use this side of a grater or this one. I like using this one because it's so fast. You see? Very fast. This is garlic. This is garlic. Now we are tomatoes. Can we slice the tomatoes? There, my student. Good. Kweli wewe ni msomi wa haraka. Tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Our last chapter here. This is our last stage. You can use a cowboy, Kimbo, or liquid oil. Depending on what you want, that is. We are not going to add any spices. This is natural. This is natural. You leave first the onions to turn color, that just a little bit golden brown, before you put the garlic. A little bit golden brown.
Guys, zimeungua.
Until you see now they're almost ready. I'm not using any spoon. I'm using a traditional spoon. This is a traditional spoon.
Do you add salt in your...
No, I don't add salt. Now this is garlic. This is garlic. To add some taste and flavor.
Is it a must we add this
Garlic.
ginger?
That is not ginger, that's garlic, and you have to you must add garlic so that you can have that taste and the flavor. Aroma, that is exactly aroma. Thank you.
Why haven't you add ginger?
Some people don't like ginger, that's why I didn't add ginger.
Okay.
Now we are in third. This is third now. Now
Yes, twende na.
This is okra. Okra follows. We want to put okra because it's slippery, and most of the people, they don't like the slippery. Now we are adding this part.
Yeah.
Now these are two.
Hizi ni orange yenyewe. Chana hiyo.
Now we are adding the egg yolk. I mean the eggplant. Sorry. This is the eggplant. Stop. Yani koroga. Shaelewa, koroga. Swahili kitukuze jamani pia. Sio kizungu saa yote.
Haya, chumvi iko hapo juu basi.
Tunaongeza chumvi kidogo. Tumaliza kuongeza chumvi, hatuweki maji saizi, manake haya biringanya ziko na maji haya. Dakika. Right now we are in this stage. Move this fine. Now we are top dressing it. We are top dressing. Tunaweka nyanya hapo juu kwanza. Tunaweka nyanya ikiwa hivyo kwanza, sababu ndani kuna mafuta. Sasa yale mafuta ndio yatafanya kila kitu hapa kilainike kidogo, alafu sasa mwishoni ndio tutaongeza maji kidogo. Sasa ni kufinika. Tunafinika kidogo. Hapo tunafinika kidogo kama dakika 5 hivi. Dakika 5. Tuko pamoja hicho?
No. 5 minutes.
Yes. We are together, yeah? 5 minutes. I hope you're going to cook like this at home. See? Stir them a little bit. Can you see? Umeziona nyanya zimeanza kulegea hizi, si ndio? Sasa hapo soft. Now you can add water. And you don't add
How many cups of water? How many cups of water?
just 1.5.
Shikilia.
This is 1.
Because you have said that aweke any spices.
Yeah.
And what about Royco? Can you add Royco?
You can add Royco if you want, but this is natural.
Okay.
Yeah. Chakula cha
Waswahili.
halisi.
Nani?
Chakula halisi, yani chakula cha kihalisia, yani.
Okay.
We are done. Let's cook now for 20 minutes to, it depends. We let it cook for anything. I'm not frying it, it's just boiled rice. Adding salt. This is my salt. Tablespoon of salt. I'm not adding a lot of oil. Sorry. Adding some oil. A spoon of serving spoon. This is enough. We're not adding a lot of oil. My water has already boiled. Now I'm putting my rice. I've already washed the rice. Now I'm putting rice. Stir a little bit. Let it simmer. Now I want to cover it. In a big sufuria because I have visitors and I have my student. She has to eat before she goes back home.
Kumulika.
It's ready for serving. Almost ready for serving.
Yes, yes, too.
My rice is almost ready for serving.
Bonga.
These are the veggies. See?